Welcome to my Life Skills channel. I use basic AI. I am not artificial intelligence savvy. There are many people like me. Some people even they don't use at all AI consciously, and some people they use it for different purposes. I use it to get some information or generate an image, but I never use AI to write something for me or something like that because I don't find comfortable. But some people use it to write emails, to write a script. So people using, and I'm talking about all these people, they are not from a computer science background, not professional in AI. And the time we are living in, like computer literacy, AI literacy has become essential, and that's why my today's topic is non-tech AI literacy is a life skill. Hello, I am Nandini Das, journalist, author and academician. So let's start with what is non-tech AI literacy with few examples. Then we'll talk about how the practices, how we can adapt that in life skills. So what is non-tech AI literacy? Non-tech AI literacy is the ability to effectively use the data and technology even if you are not from a software computer science background. Just like you use effectively the data and the technology available with you. You are not coding, you are not building any system, but you are just using effectively. Let me give an example. An HR professional. HR professional uses AI to screening resumes. It saves their time. Administrative officer or an executive, so they have a 20-page report to read. They use AI to summarize it into one paragraph to save their time and understand the thing. Like this, many people, those who are not tech savvy, but in general, laymen and women all need to use AI in their day-to-day life. That's why we need to adapt that in our life skills. So let's start with how we can adapt that. Number one is by having familiarity with AI tools. You must have heard the name of different AI. First came, it became popular like ChatGPT, Claude. There are so many AIs. So you must have heard that many people say that this AI is good for this. Suppose one AI is good, just like humans. Some people they have different skills. Some is good in sports, another is good in writing. Likewise, so one AI is good for one thing, like that, excellent in one thing. And many people on internet you can find that they are talking about which AI is good for what, maybe based on their experience. But you can find that if you want to suppose generating graphic designing, or you want to write something, or you want to do a meme, for which AI is good for what, you need to do some research to get the correct answer. But the thing is, you need to have familiarity with this AI tools, which is good for what. Number two is how you use AI. We give prompt or command, or we ask something to give us the AI, right? But we need to have clarity. Number two is the practice is we need to have clarity before giving prompt to AI. What is clarity? Means you should know the context about what you are asking. You should have the purpose. You should tell the purpose. For instance, you are asking AI to write about census. It will give you a general answer about census, but you give the prompt. The purpose is to know about the census is happening in the year 2026. The context is, maybe you can give the context of Asian countries, North American countries, South American countries, or African countries, or European countries. So you give the context, then you will get the accurate answer. So you know the two practices, how you need to adapt that in your life skills. Then number third practice is critical thinking. Before giving prompt, you need critical thinking. After getting the prompt, you also need critical thinking, right? Clarity means you have critical thinking, right? The next phase comes when you give the prompt, you got the output, then you need to have critical thinking to write that whether it is accurate or not. Because suppose you are asking something, the thing is, whatever the information available online, AI will give you only that information, but sometimes those informations might be biased. Suppose it is about racism, it is about politics of some country, the information itself might be biased, so AI will give you that information only. That's why you need to have critical thinking to find that whether this is not biased, whether it is correct. So you have to find that whether it is accurate or not. This is critical thinking. Number fourth is ethical AI. You should have the knowledge about ethical AI. Ethical AI means whether you are not breaching your AI, whatever information you are getting or whatever you are creating, it is not breaching anyone's privacy, or it is not, it should be under copyright issue. And even recently European Union passed a law regarding this ethical AI. So you need to, while using, you need to be aware about that you are not breaching this ethics while using AI. Breaching means, some people, we are always about that, because using AI, it might take all your private information, whether it is your money, whether it is your health report, anything it is about, you should be aware about that. Then number fifth practice is you need to be aware, or you need to update yourself with new AI tools. I just say that, there are different new softwares coming. Even Windows 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it is new versions are coming. Likewise, AI is evolving every day, and new versions of new tools are coming every day. So to use properly AI, you need to make yourself familiar with those new tools. Now you must have become a non-tech AI literate person, and you can apply that in your life, in your day-to-day life. And if you find this information, this topic is useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.